Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Eng.Med Modern School. So in the previous video we have just completed the chapter number 4, that is fiber to fabric. Okay, in that first of all in this video what we will do is we will just revise the whole chapter and then after we will just move towards the exercise. Okay, so here first in the chapter you have seen was history of clothing, how the people started wearing clothes, why they just started wearing clothes and that all. So here they have said that about 72,000 years ago they just started the simple clothes which are easily available. So which were there? So here I can say that early human beings to use easily available materials as clothing to protect themselves from the sunburn, cold wind, thorns and insect bite. These materials were animal skin and leaves of plant. Then after this was the 70,000 years ago. Then after what they have done, scientists have found simple sewing needles made up of animal bones that were likely in use about 40,000 years ago. So before 40,000 years ago they just made the needle from the animal bones. Then after we have seen the clothing material. There are different cultures, traditions in different areas. The different clothings are just wear. So in that way we have seen the clothing materials. So in that what we have seen, that was just like food and shelter, clothing are also necessary for us. They protect our body from heat, cold and rain. So here, as the food is necessary for our body, in that way the clothing is also necessary for our body. So what it just do? It just protect from us from cold, wind, rain and that all. Okay. Then after they also protect us from insect bite. Then after people wear different kinds of clothes based on different factors such as climate, occupation, lifestyle and culture. So different kinds of clothes are wear according to the different tradition, different areas, cultures. Then after different lifestyles. Okay, so here you can see the first image which is given in 4.1, which is on the page number 43. The woman wearing a shawl and a dress. Then after the schoolboy which have wear the sweaters, shoes and hat all. Then after there is a teacher which is wear. Then after here you can see south people wears the dhoti. So that is it. And here in the summer this girl has wear the capri and t-shirt. Then after moving further, so clothes are made of different materials, that is cotton, jute, silk, wool, then after nylon and polyester. So different things the clothes are made. So here it is, we get these materials from both natural as well as synthesis. So first of all, talking about the natural materials which are there for clothing. So here the natural materials that are from plants, we get plant fiber such as cotton, jute, and from animals we get fibers such as wool and silk. Leather is a material that is prepared from the animal skin. So this all the things from which the clothing is made, that is the plant fiber and natural fiber. Okay, animal fiber. So here then after coming to the fiber to fabric, how these fibers are converted to the fabric. So here that is written, fibers are thin strands which are twisted together to make long thread or yarn. These fibers are just twisted with each other, then long yarn is made from it. Okay, then after their threads are woven or knitting to make fabrics. Then after this threads or yarns just used for making cloth. There are two processes, that is weaving and knitting process. Then after fabrics are cut and made into clothes. Cotton, silk and wool are examples of fibers. Okay. Then after fabrics are made using any two of these main processes, weaving and knitting. So here we have seen the weaving and knitting process. So in weaving process we have seen two sets of yarn are used, and in knitting process three sets of yarns are one set of yarn is used in the knitting process. Okay, then after in the process of weaving, two sets of yarn or threads are arranged together in a pattern to make the cloth. The type of pattern made by the two sets of yarn is called a weave. It is done using machines called looms. Then after, these looms are either run by hand called hand looms and run by electricity, then it is known as the power looms. Then after, here you can see the picture is given of hand loom and power loom. Then after knitting. So knitting is a method of making fabric by using a single yarn in a series of connected loops by using knitting needles or machines. Then after, sweaters are made from yarn of wool by the process of knitting. Then after, the fabrics is then stitched to make different kinds of clothes. Thus we can say that a fabric made from fibers, this fiber may be natural or synthetic. So this is all about the weaving and knitting process. So in weaving process two sets of yarn are used, and in knitting process one set of yarn is used for making the cloth. Okay, then after, here we have seen the natural and synthetic fiber. So natural fibers, we know that plant fiber and animal fiber. Okay, so here we can broadly categorize fibers into two types, that is, fibers are obtained from natural sources such as plants or animals called the natural fibers. Then after, examples of natural fibers, that is cotton, jute, wool and silk. Then after, fibers that are made by using human beings by chemical substances that are called the synthetic fibers. Okay, so that are known as the artificial or man-made fibers. Examples of synthetic fibers are nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic. In this chapter we will learn about plant fibers in detail. So in this only we will just study the natural fiber, from that we will just study the plant fiber, not the animal fiber. So here, plant fiber. So what is the plant fiber? Means the fibers which we get from the plant. So from plant, where we will get? So different parts of the plants give the fibers. So here it is, plant fibers are obtained from different parts of the plant. Examples of plant fiber are cotton, jute, cord, hemp, flax and silk cotton. Cotton. In India, khadi, a coarse hand-woven cloth, is made from cotton spoon or chakra. Okay, we have seen the picture of Gandhiji. They just revolved the chakra and they just made a khadi, which is an Indian wear. Okay, so that is, cotton is used to make shirts, t-shirts, then after towels, inner garments, bandages and coffee filters. Then after, the cotton plant is a shrub. The fruit of the cotton plant is called ball. Means in the fruit which is there of the cotton plant, that is known as the ball. Okay, the ball has seeds inside. Cotton fibers grow around its seeds. Then after, when the cotton balls matures, it dries and splits open exposed cotton fiber. Means then after, when they are mature, they just burst, and then after, from inside the seeds and the cotton is coming out. So it is, the mature cotton balls are harvested, means they are collected, and then after, during the process of ginning, seeds are separated from the fibers. So the process which is known as ginning. So what happens? The cotton's impurity is removed by ginning. These seeds which are there inside cotton, that are removed. So that is, the clean fibers are then spun using machines to produce cotton yarn. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Yarn is then made into cotton fabrics by weaving or knitting process. So from the spinning, then after, it is just made from the spinning process, the yarns are made. Then after, here they are just talking about the jute. So we get jute fiber from the stem of the jute plant. Jute stems are cut and kept in shallow ponds for few days until the fibers that are glued together loosen up with the help of the water. Then after, Bangladesh is the main exporter of jute. India, China, Nepal and Thailand are other main producers of jute. Jute fibers are used for making a number of products such as jute slippers, hats, kurtis, ropes, mats and sacks for packing and storing grains. So here now coming towards the let's answer. So first of all we will write the let's answer. So let's answer. So the first question, that is question number 8, which of these fibers do we get from plants? So here they have just asked that which fibers we get from the plant. So first of all they just talk about the wool. So wool we cannot get from the plants. So here plant fibers, writing that. So the plant fiber, that is wool. No, that is not a plant fiber. Then after here they have given jute. Yes, jute is a plant fiber. Okay. Then after jute, then after silk. Here silk, that is a plant fiber, that is a natural fiber. Okay, but silk, yes, silk. Then after nylon. So nylon is an artificial fiber, so that is man-made, so we can't get from the plant fiber. Then after coming towards the rayon. So rayon is also an artificial fiber, so that is we can't get from the plant fiber. Then after hemp. Yes, hemp we get from the plant fiber. Hemp. Then after polyester. So polyester is a artificial fiber, so we can't say that it is a plant fiber. Then after coming towards leather, that is animal fiber, we get leather from the animals. Then after terrible. So terrible is also a plant fiber. So then after it is fur. Fur we get from the animals. And then coming towards the core, so it is also the plant fiber, that is core. Okay, it is core, that are the plant fibers. Okay, moving towards question number 2, that is match the following. So here question number 2, this is question number A. Here question number B, that is match the following. So the first one, that is loops of yarn. Here loops of yarn, we can say that it is a knitting. So here in the first one it will be E, that is knitting. Then after second one, that is 2 sets of yarn. So here we can say that 2 sets of yarn is used for weaving. So here in the second one we can say D, that is weaving. Then after third one, harvesting of cotton, that is balls. That is C. Then after fourth one, 2 types of fiber, that is natural and synthetic. Fourth one, That is two types of fiber, that is natural or synthetic. Synthetic. Fifth one, jute fiber, that is steam. So here fifth one, it will be steam. Okay, so please write down the answers, students. I am just giving you some time. Okay, students, have you written down this? Now moving towards next. So that is other useful plant fibers, that is core, silk, cotton, hemp and flax. So here these are the different plant fibers. Let us talk about it. First of all, core. So it is, we get core from the outer covering of the fruits of the cotton. Then after, core is a coarse fiber and used to make ropes, rugs and carpets. Some varieties of core are used as fillings in mattress and pillows. Here, silk cotton, that is, we get silk cotton fiber from the fruit of kapko tree. It is commonly used as a filling inside pillows, sleeping bags and life jackets. Hemp, here talking about hemp, that is, we get hemp fiber from the stem of the hemp plant. Hemp plant fiber is used to make ropes, carpets, knitting, clothes and even papers. Then it is flax, that is, we get flax fiber from the stem of the flax plant. These fibers are used to make fabrics called linen. Flax fiber is also used in making of paper and ropes. So here, students, we just complete our chapter, and here in the beside you can see the pictures of kapko tree, hemp plant and flax. Okay, students. So here now moving towards the exercise answers. So here exercise, that is first one, which of this is a plant fiber? It is given, that is, which of this is a plant fiber in the question number A. First one, that is, which of this is a plant fiber? All of this. D, all of this. Okay. Then after second one, which of this is true about silk cotton? It is a plant fiber, it is an animal fiber. We leave the seeds to root to get the fiber. It is made from the chemical substance in factories. No. here it will be A, that is it is a plant fiber. So second one, that will be A, that is it is a plant fiber. Okay, then after, which of this can be made from hemp, that is shirts, paper, knittings. So here D, it will become all of this. Third one, D, that is all of this. Fourth one, that is which of the following is true about knitting, that is it is done with a single yarn, it is a method of knitting fabrics, then after it can be done on special machines or by using knitting needles, or D, all of this. So here it will be D, all of this. Okay students, so here it will be D, all of this. Now moving towards the question number 2, that is fill in the blanks, but before that you just write down this and I'm giving you time. Okay students, I have written down this. Now moving towards the question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. So question number 3, fill in the blanks. The first one, that is around 40,000 years ago, early humans used simple needles made up of dash, that is animal bones. So here in the first one, it will be animal bones. Then after second one, dash is the process by which we use two sets of yarn, a pattern to make fabric. Here it will be weaving. Second, it will be third one, during the process of dash, the fiber is separated from seeds, that is ginning process. Here third one, it is ginning process. Fourth one, that is in dash, one yarn is used to make the fabric in the form of loops. So here it is knitting process. So fourth one, it is knitting. Fifth one, we get silk cotton from the hemp, that is dash, that is we get silk cotton from capco tree. So fifth one, it is okay students, and the last one, that is dash is used to make a fabric called linen. So here flax, it is a linen. Sixth one, it is flax. Okay students, so I am just giving you some time, you just write down the answers. Okay students, have you written down the answers? Here the question answers will be provided in the PDF in your respective group. Okay students, so this is your exercise answer and the question number C, that is answer the following question. The answers will be provided in your group by PDF. Okay students, now we will just meet in the next video with the new chapter. Okay, bye students.